Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So I got this Barbie and Colourpop collaboration last week. I bought it from a seller on Vinted, which by the time you watch this video you would have already found out who that seller is. If you live in the UK and you like Colourpop, I would suggest you go there rather than going on the Colourpop website, because I know that when I want to order something from the Colourpop website, it's really expensive. I mean, I could order a Pat McGrath quad for the same price. I was just speaking to someone about this earlier, and around the same price as a Pat McGrath quad, and this is drugstore, guys. And I know obviously for you guys that live in America that can just order one palette, it's neither here nor there, but for me I have to spend $60. Anyway, this is the Barbie and Colourpop Malibu Barbie palette, and I've just realised I actually have Pure and Barbie lipstick, so that'd probably go with a palette. Still got the packaging for that. Isn't it cute? So anyway, we're going to get into this. Who's got this palette and what are your thoughts on it? Right, let's just look at the back and see. Right, so on the first right, I already see one that's not suitable for the eye area, so that's Let's Go Party. I'm going to have that song in my mind all throughout this video. Then there's another one, Best Coast, and I think that's it. Right, so beautiful art packaging. I think they've done a really good job with it. So this is what it looks like. So let's take the colour saver off. The only thing with this, guys, is I don't want to ruin the imprint. So there's a heart there, there's a rainbow there, there's another heart there, and then there's a palm tree there. I don't want to ruin them, but we have to for the swatches. So let's go in with Cali Girl. I thought it said Call Girl. Get your mind out of the gutter, Andrea. Oh, that's pretty. Right, so when you first put it on, it doesn't go on smoothly, but when you blend it out, that is really pretty. So yeah, that's Cali Girl. Then we have Vintage Doll. This looks like it might be a unique shade. Looks like it's got a bit of a blue undertone to it. Right, this is going on really powdery. That's that one. So Vintage Doll, I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but can you see the powder on that? Then we've got Come On. That has gone on so foiled, so it's gone on better than those two went on. That's the worst one so far. It might go on much better onto the eyelid. Right, the next one is Let's Go Party. I'm going to try and just go up here with it and not disrupt the rainbow. That is a beautiful matte shade. Oh, just go into it properly. So that's that one. I mean, it's going to get used anyway, so you may as well go into the imprint. Then we've got Shine On. This one looks foiled as well. Yeah, it's not as foiled as that one, but it really is a nice eyeshadow. Then we've got West Coast, which is this beautiful yellow. It's like a sunshine yellow. Really nice. That's that one. Then we've got Best Coast, which is a fuchsia pink. Fuchsia matte pink. Really nice. I don't know if it's quite my colour, but it's really nice. I think it would go really nice with the next shade, which is called Follow the Sun. Oh, look at that. That's a unique shade to my collection as well. Follow the Sun. Then we've got Malibu Memories. Is it a palette I use a lot? Probably not. I mean, I probably only use it for the videos that I'm going to use it for, and then it probably won't get used again, but I'll have it as like decoration. I really like having unique eyeshadow palettes as kind of decor. The next one is Zuma Beach. I might surprise myself, I might use it more than I think. Probably more for the neutrals. Then we've got Make Waves. Right, so I'll tell you what shades I like already. I like that one there, that one there, that one there. Those two mattes there so far. Then we've got Boardwalk. This one looks nice as well. So really just the neutrals. Then we've got Surf's Up. Oh, that looks really pretty. Just going to do another swatch of that because my arm's pretty dry as we go up now. So that's Surf's Up. So that'd go really nice with that shade there. Then we've got 1971. Another pretty neutral brown. 1971. And then the last shade in this palette is SoCal, which is kind of like a burnt orange. So that's all of the shades in the palette. I will be doing probably 3 or 4 days with this palette. It's probably going to be around March, April time because I've got way too many to get through. So I thought I would give you some close-up swatches of the beautiful palette. I do feel like it's beautiful, guys. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I did get it for a steal. I think I paid £12 for this one and £8 for the other one that we're going to be swatching in the next video. So I got both palettes for £20. I think with shipping and buyer's protection fee it worked out around £25, which isn't too bad. I don't mind paying a little bit extra in the UK because you don't have to wait that 2.5 weeks to get them. This seller ships it out super fast. I had it within 3 or 4 days. So yeah, I didn't mind the wait there. It's just really pretty. It's a really pretty palette. I absolutely adore it. But I don't know if I'd wear the brighter shades as more than a pop of colour. I think in the inner corner these two shades would look really good, and I think if you don't like colour you could still utilise this palette, but again either use them as eyeliners or just as a pop of colour in the inner corners. Let me know your thoughts on the palette, guys. Let me know if you've got it in your collection. We're getting quite a collection at the minute. I've got 30 palettes, and the other day, sounds crazy this, the other day I was on Vinted and I was tempted to get another one. I think it's called SoCal or So California, one or the other. I've got a feeling it's called SoCal, but I decided to come away and not buy it because 30 palettes and I've not even used them all yet. I want to do that least favourite to favourite video before I even get another Colourpop palette. So yeah, we've just brought 2 more in, and once I use the £9 we'll be going on to the £9 first and doing a least favourite to favourite on those first. I've got 3 left to do. I've got 2 in my Shop My Stash. So I've got the Grandeur palette and also the Mint to Be, and then in the next rotation we'll do the Just My Look palette, and then we can do the least favourite to favourite on the Colourpop £9 palettes. So guys, we'll conclude this video here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.